And this is why it's good to know how to trade, where to enter, and when to exit. Another day, another $1,000 game. We're offering one-on-one coaching sessions that will help you get more than accelerated on your journey of day trading. This is an actual skill that even a child can learn. You see, once under your belt, this becomes a life-changing money-making skill that will never go away. So as you watch the following video, think about being able to change your family's life by putting in the effort to learn something new. In today's day and age, everything is at your fingertips, and that means it's also all in your hands what you want to be. The only question is, how bad do you want it? Enjoy the rest of the video. I'm thinking some buys could work here. So we'll just go ahead, leave this entry right here, see if we get taken out. But yeah, we could go to the buy side. My stop might be a little too tight, but yeah, that all depends, I guess, right? So we'll just watch this and see if if it ends up working out. Just a little bit of an update on this trade. It's been about 10-15 minutes or so. Still kind of in drawdown here, but yeah, we'll just continue to watch here. We have a slight push up to the buy side, and we appreciate that. But yeah, we're going to continue to watch and manage. So I'll be right back. A little update on the trade. Seems like we're pushing up a little bit, filling up some gaps and heading up to the buy side. So we'll continue to watch this. Price really found some foundation down here. We'll see and look to see if we could ride this up higher. So we did just have to take a little bit more drawdown. Now we're looking like we're pushing back up too. So we'll continue to watch this, see to what extent we're pushed up, and go from there. Looks like we're moving up to the buy side right now. We're looking nice so far. Good amount of points. We moved from, where was this, 270 all the way to 301. So yeah, a nice 30-point move right there. So we'll continue to watch it. Looks like we're getting a nice little expansion move right here to the buy side. Looks like price is really starting to push up. We're leaving some gaps behind, so we're going to keep that in mind. We're on the 5-minute time frame, so yeah, it might be a little bit before we come back and retrace that. But then again, price has been pretty much consolidating for some time now, so a expansion is due. Whether this is the expansion or if this is the manipulation, we'll have to see. Nice movement that we're getting up to the buy side so far. We'll continue to watch this. We like this. We're getting good push to the buy side, and we're just heading north. So yeah, we'll continue to stay in this trade, manage this and everything. We love this action, and we love seeing where price goes, following our action plan to trade with what price is doing. So yeah, we'll continue to watch this, and hopefully we can get to our take profit. But I think this is a pretty optimistic take profit. There's also this take profit over here. That would be nice, a lot closer, but less reward, obviously. Okay, so we're in this trade. We've dealt with some more drawdown. Price has come back and retraced to lower and is going higher. I do like this about this trade, the fact that, you know, even though we go down, even though we come back and retrace, and even though this has been a very slow trade, it does have a lot of stability to it. When we go down, we only go down to a certain extent, and then we just ultimately continue higher. So that's kind of what we're hoping to see the longer that we stay into this trade. And yeah, hopefully we can get some nice profit from this one. Another quick update here on this trade. We are actually coming up on some new all-time highs for at least in terms of how long we've been in this trade. So we're liking that. We want to see some expansion go from right here after we take these highs. We don't want to see some change in direction or anything. We want to keep on going to that buy side. And it looks like that's what we're doing right now. We have these highs up here. So let's watch to see what we do as we get up there. I would love it if we could, you know, really just continue to push past these with some speed and some strength. That would be great for it to kind of kick in now into this trade. All right, we're getting some nice action here. We've just taken or are approaching onto this high right here of 329. So we're just watching here. Looks like we're kind of retracing. Don't love that, but hey, we'll try and continue to be in this trade. Do want a strong push past here. Definitely liking the way this trade has been so far. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop somewhere under this low right here. We could definitely come up to our take profit shortly. Love to see that. I'm just moving my take profit. Probably not the best, but maybe we can aim for a little higher. I see price really just starting to push up here. So I'm just going to continue to trail this. We got really far high there. All right, we got taken out of that trade, but that is great. We don't mind that at all. A little goofy at the end there with the movement of my take profit, but I really thought we could come up to this high in that short term. But hey, I'm okay with that. I ended up getting, I think, just slightly more than what I initially planned to anyways. So that's fine. And now, as you can see, price is retracing to the downside. So we're good with that. We're great with the way we traded with that. And if you want to learn how to trade like this, go ahead and check the link in our bio. If you want to see other trades that we have made just like this and other ways to continue to update and enhance your level of trading, go ahead and check the videos on the screen. And with that, we'll see you guys in the next video.